Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kylie back with another video. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube intro. So all you have to do is to go to this website called Penzoid.com and click on that. So this will take you to the whole page. There's a lot of templates here to choose from, so you can even click here more creations to see more templates. So in my case I'm not going to click that, so I think this ones are enough just for the video. So I'm gonna try this one now. Let's see if this one's work. Yeah, it all works by the way. So let's click on that. And on this page, don't click this ones because I'm gonna take you to the whole other page. Just click on this open in clip maker and just click it to open it. It takes you to another page here. It takes about a couple seconds to load, so just wait. It's about to, yeah, here we go. And on this left side of the screen you see there's a lot of choices, so you can just click here on this box or square or whatever you want to call it by here. It's called objects, so just click on that and go ahead on this first choice that says text equal whatever name, and then click on that. In my case, I just have to type in my channel name because you have to type in whatever you want it to appear on your intro. Obviously, I'm going to type in my channel name, which is, yeah, and here, shape or whatever. Here, you can do horizontally or vertically, but I think maybe I'm gonna go ahead and choose vertically because I feel like that's better. Yeah. About thickness, I think 6 is best. No, 6 order. Yes, 6. Yeah, 6 is better for me. You can just choose whatever you want to choose. Yeah, so in this case, I'm gonna go use for thickness 6 loops 33. Let's try that. If it doesn't work, we can always change it. Here for triangle, rectangle. um let's just leave it like that. We're not gonna touch nothing on it. Let's see on the name. I just try the name because I typed it earlier and then I'm gonna have to type it again. Yeah, let's play now. You can click on this eye to see it the other way. Yeah, I think this way is better. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think this way is better. What do you think, guys? Just tell me in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos like this. So to download it, just on the left side of the screen, just click on, as you can see, the download icon or whatever. Just click on that. And this video is really short, so I don't really like long videos, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. I just have to make a short video that people will understand and take something from it. I hate to see those videos on YouTube that really takes 10 minutes and I don't get nothing on it. So just click on start video render. Click on that. It may have to take like 2-3 minutes to download. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below what I should do next. Share this to your friends so they can subscribe too. Thank you. Have a great day. And just stay tuned for the next video. Bye.